Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by pairing your keyboard so Roblox can read keystrokes immediately. Put the keyboard in pairing mode, open settings right arrow Bluetooth, and tap its name. Once connected, return to Roblox. Make sure the keyboard is selected for input and test it in a chat box to verify responsiveness. If you use a USB-C keyboard, plug it into the iPad and watch for instant recognition. Once done, you're ready to map controls or use default keys in-game. Now you customize controls so gameplay feels natural. In Roblox, open settings right arrow controls and note default mappings for movement, jump, and interact. Change them to your preferred keys so reactions become instinctive. If you need system-level shortcuts, use iPad accessibility right arrow keyboards to assign hardware key actions. Make small adjustments and test each change in a low-risk game area. This prevents accidental deaths. When you're comfortable, practice combos to learn timing and reduce. Finish by saving your control changes and restarting the Roblox app to lock in settings. Test keys in a private server so you can iterate without pressure, adjust sensitivity or remaps as needed. If keys stop working, repair the keyboard and ensure iPad iOS is up to date, because firmware mismatches can block input. Make sure background apps aren't hogging resources if problems persist. Toggle Bluetooth or uninstall and reinstall Roblox to clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.